Yo, what up YouTube Reacts? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only use me tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue, my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I got a nice unboxing for you guys. So yeah, I'm doing things a little bit different. I actually wanted to do this in the other room, but we're gonna do it in here. I know the air conditioner is on in here, but yeah, let's get to the unboxing. So you already know the deal. Let's clear this area. We're going to keep this here, just move the keyboard out the way. I'm bringing the package right now. There we go, right there. Normally I would have the bat knife. Where did I put the bat knife at? It's in my pocket. Right here. You already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. But because this is a little rip tie, we're just going to just do a little of that just so the bat knife can get a little bit of usage out of it. So we're just gonna lift this off, and I've been waiting for this thing for over a month. I'm upset because all the features, the mods I wanted to show you guys, other people did it because I talked about the mods I was doing. So when they got theirs, they basically used all the mods that I said I was doing. So yeah. Oh snap. Okay, they sent me something because of the delay. So this is some extra stuff I brought. This is the stuff I brought. This is my stuff right here. So let me sit down for this video. Okay, so here's the package from Jsaux, as you can see right here. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, bat knife, you get a good thing. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox these shit. So basically what's happening is I'm going to get another one in the mail. Because the simple fact is my other one that I originally purchased is stuck in customs. So Jsaux sent this one out to me for replacement and said that when I get the other one, I can keep that also, so I have two of them. So what do we get? We get the back plate part right here. This is just the little sticker that goes over the battery. We get the two in the actual RGB piece, some thumbsticks, not thumbsticks, but some back pedal grips. We get some thumbstick covers, some large and can't even get the words. Some small, some large like that. We get USB Type C to USB Type A. We get some screws, we get some gloves, we get the back plate right here. Here we go, which I'm liking this. We get the stickers, stuff like that, and that's basically it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause this video, and they gave me this because of the delay. So I actually got the grips that came with it. I don't think this was part of the packaging, part of the thing, because I know this wasn't supposed to come in. I know the only thing that was supposed to come with it was this, the thumbsticks and stuff like that, and the grips like that. So they actually gave me a pair of free grips to go with it. Now I already have grips on my ROG Ally. Let me show y'all right now. Just that. As you can see, I already got a case on mine right here, which is a grip. I have this full place that has a kickstand with a front plate right here. One thing is I can't use this because it doesn't fit it completely. I spoke to the seller. They refund me, and they're going to be making a revision of that. So might be able to fix that once I get this plate inside. So I'm gonna start taking everything apart, and I'll come back to you guys and show you how the finished product. So let me get started, and I'll come back to you guys a little bit later. Alright guys, I am back. Sorry for that. Well, for y'all might have been a short time, but for me it's been like 5 minutes. So I have everything installed. Here's the back case. Now this is a different case. This is a case that I actually got that has a kickstand on it, so I can keep it like this and play it like that. But gotta actually take this back piece off. I brought it so I'd be able to still see through and have this case like this and still protect my skin and stuff on here that I have on it. I do like this. back plate with the front plate. It doesn't look clean like this. And I did throw in the grips on top of it, so it does poke out a little bit, which I do like the feeling of it. It's just, it digs into my finger right here on the side. As I looked at it, I do believe I put it on correctly, but this part is just like a little too bumpy. I wish it went downward, like it goes in like that, but it was going backwards the opposite way. To have the bump on this side and the divots down right there. I would have preferred that a little bit more better, but out of all, it feels comfortable. But let me take off this back part so I can actually show you guys the actual RGBs and stuff, because I can't do it. What I'm gonna have to do is make a little hole right here so I can actually do it. So I'm gonna have to melt this part of the plastic so I can actually use this case. So let's take this thing apart real quick. Like, I am gonna have to mod this and make a hole right here and right here for the charger port here and the button right there. So okay. Almost done. You just gotta do the bottom part. Okay. Go. Back part off. Okay. So basically, this is what it looks like. See how that looks on camera. Okay. So I know how I'm sitting kind of funny on angle. I'm just trying to get the phone to look away from it. So basically, the thing you gotta do is press this button right here. It turns it on like that. Press it again, change the color. Press it again, change the color. Press it again, change the color. Press it again. Press it again. Press it again. Press it again. Y'all get the point. Turn it off, press and hold. Then you have the charging port right here. Then you have the extra part that comes with it, which is the cover for the eGPU, and you have the USB Type-C port right there. So I'm actually loving this. You get the extra stuff right here, which is the plates. This is the loaded one that came pre-installed already. You're gonna have a little bit of problem trying to remove it, so just pull a little bit of pressure and it'll pop right off, no problem. Then you have this right here. Then you get 4 extras right here. Now, I am gonna customize it. They tell you how to customize it, but I have my own way how I'm gonna customize it. I do have transparency paper film that I just throw inside my printer, print out it, and just stick it directly on it. And I can just stick it right on it, or I can actually take these templates, get the transparent paper, and just basically print it out the size how I want this to be, and you know, it's simple, and I'll be able to just print it out like so. These are the covers that came with it. I don't think these was part of it. I know these are so separate, but to be honest, I'm not a big fan of grips like this. Actually, I got this thing on backwards. I'm not really a big fan of things like this, because I hate trying to get it in like this. Let me see how this feels. It feels good. Got a lot of grip, the rubber feels good right here. But to be honest, I like this case better, this right here with it. So it feels good and all, but I don't think I would use this. I would use this if I'm not in the mood to use my case. But to be honest, I basically keep my clear case on this thing at all times. So I normally use this right here. Yeah, this feels better, and you still be able to use the RGBs and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm gonna have to make a hole right here in this case just to get to these buttons. Actually, I don't, because one thing I gotta do is just lift it up like this to be able to charge it like that, and get the vents and stuff like that. So actually, like this, turn the RGBs on real quick. There we go. So that's everything right there, guys. So tell me what y'all got, what y'all like. So it's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, only using time out. Remember, live it, game it. Peace and deuces, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. By the way, this is what it looks like after you get done removing the stuff. My custom skin and stuff on here. I might order another one of these and just rip off this part, like remove this part of it only and keep the rest on it. I don't know. I do have other skins that I can replace and throw on this RG alloy in the back, so I can just cover up all this part and just keep these available. I have plenty of skins though. So that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys later. It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod Jailbreak Hacker, only using timeouts, and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.